Did you know that the world's smallest seed comes from an orchid? The seeds of the epiphytic orchid are so tiny they resemble dust particles. Weighing just 0.81 micrograms, these seeds are dispersed by the wind, traveling vast distances to find a suitable place to grow. Despite their minuscule size, they hold the potential to bloom into stunning flowers. This quirky fact highlights nature's ingenuity, showing how even the smallest things can have a big impact. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories like this.